On May 25th, Nvidia gained over 24% in a single day, temporarily raising its market capitalization above $1 trillion. The surge was triggered by an announcement related to its artificial intelligence products. This isn't the first time the group has taken advantage of major technological revolutions. In fact, it's its trademark. It began with video games in the late 1990s. Nvidia's Riva and then GeForce 256 processors took the industry by storm. The group was then chosen by Microsoft to develop graphics cards for the Xbox console, then by Sony in 2004 to equip the PlayStation 3. In the 2000s, several innovations underpinned the group's growth, notably the CUDA language, a revolutionary computing architecture. Like all tech companies, Nvidia's share price was on an upward trend. In 2008, Nvidia launched the Tegra range, used primarily by the automotive industry for embedded systems, and then adopted in 2017 by Nintendo for the Switch. The financial crisis and problems with faulty processors curbed share price growth. The stock remained flat for a while, with the release of a few products useful for virtual reality, video editing, or even mobile devices. In 2016, cryptocurrency miners found Nvidia's products particularly effective for mining and raided all the cards on the market. The group took advantage of this trend until the cards ran out in 2019. That same year, Nvidia capitalized on the deep learning trend and then on data centers. It acquired Mellanox Technologies, taking advantage of its expertise in data processing to position itself at the heart of the cloud trend. 2020. COVID. The good news is that everyone is staying at home and ordering consoles and computers en masse, which is good for business. The bad news is that this situation exacerbates the shortage of cards. In 2021, Nvidia broke into the metaverse before its competitors with Omniverse, a shared platform that enables engineers to collaborate remotely and run real-time simulations on the metaverse. This year, as you know, the group has joined the artificial intelligence megatrend with a series of dedicated products: GPUs, cloud services, gaming applications, and more. What does this mean in terms of results? When you look at sales since 2014, the crypto effect is clearly visible. Then we have the Omniverse and AI combo effect over the last 2 years. If we zoom in on the sales segments, we also see the major trends that benefited the group: gaming in blue, data centers in gray, as well as microprocessors, chips for the automotive industry, and computer graphics products. Operating income and net profit follow similar paths, with an explosion in 2022 and a decline in 2023, which can be explained, among other things, by higher R&D spending. Why is Nvidia always ahead of the competition? The group was founded in 1993 by Jensun Huang, current CEO, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preem, 3 engineers with a flair for the early days, to develop a graphics processor dedicated to computer graphics, separate from the CPU. The group went on to develop expertise in high-performance computing, and each of its innovations has fueled the next. The latest chips developed by the group have a remarkable density. H100 contains 80 billion transistors, and are therefore capable of processing vast quantities of data, much more than other chips. Another of the group's strengths is its long-standing partnership with Taiwanese chip giant TSMC, currently the only company to master the finest etching. Why did Nvidia's share price soar at the end of May? Because its AI products are ready, unlike those of AMD, for example, and are already generating revenues. These announcements surprised analysts, who largely revised their sales and earnings estimates upwards. This explains why investors flocked to the stock, which was already highly valued, attracted by the promise of future earnings. The other engine of enthusiasm lies in Nvidia's positioning. In a gold rush, it's the shovel and pickaxe salesmen who stand the best chance of getting rich. The group's H100 graphics processor, priced at over $40,000 each and designed specifically for generative AI, is already an indispensable tool for gold diggers. And what about the future? Nvidia has already announced that it is building a massive AI supercomputer due to be launched this year, which should serve as a model for future large-scale generative AI infrastructure. We can't wait to find out more.